Yo, good afternoon, good night. It's weird to say, I said this the other day, it's weird, it's really weird to say good night when you're greeting people, you know, you don't say good night, right? Why do we say good morning, good afternoon, but when you say good night, it sounds so weird to say good night when you're like greeting someone. But let me know in the chat, let me know why that is. I don't know. Yo, what's going on? You want the fingers down my spine chat link? We can do that. Hope everyone had a fantastic Friday, man. We got more of the night to come. We got the weekend coming up. 4th of July weekend is here, baby. Let's friggin' get it. We got the last stream before probably actually next Thursday, which is going to seem really, really weird to be gone for that long. All right, but let's jump into the price action, man. Let's get it. All right. We're going through the tunnel. What's up, man? What's going on, everyone? Happy Friday. What's up, day trading? What's up, DJ? Why is that? Why can you not say good night when you're greeting someone? Why is it weird? I need to know. It just sounds so awkward when you're like, good night. Right? You're saying hi, good night. Right? Watch Jabba do it. Hey, why am I so small? I lost weight? Wow, I did lose weight. Wow! Wait! Put me back! Jordan! Good night, guys! It sounds so weird to say that. I don't know. Let's see. Want to ride? Let's see. Good nights are usually goodbyes. Seriously. You say good evening as a greeting and good night as a farewell. Yeah, but why? I never know that. No one has a reasoning for that? Anyways. Guys, let's smack up the like button. We got 420 people in here. That number probably makes a lot of people happy. But we got 420 people in here. All right, so let's set up the like button. Let's get to 200 likes right now, shall we? All right, Bitcoin's crapping. All right, let's be honest, guys. The 15-minute chart, Bitcoin is absolutely crabbing like a son of a gun, okay? I don't see any chance, okay? Literally any chance. Jabba looking petite. I don't see any... Look at this, man. I did not do a trade today because look at the chart. Look at the chart right now in the 15-minute time frame. You just pumped above the 50, below the 50, above the 50, below the 50, above the 50, below the 50. You're just going absolutely nutburgers here on the short-term time frames. Bitcoin just wicking everyone out. All right. Is there anything on the other time frames we can look at? Sure, there might be. I mean, right now, Horse Guy's going nuts because he doesn't understand what's going on. This is manipulation. Are we going to go to the upside or downside? I don't know. I watched Carl the Moon. I watched his live stream, and he told me it could go up or down. What does that mean? Give me direction, Jordan. I watch you for direction. Carl told me up or down. I can't stand that guy. I even wouldn't go to lunch with that guy. Screw Carl. Up and down? That doesn't help me. No, but listen, the 15-minute time frame is sort of all kind of jacked up. I don't even know what's going on here, but I mean, let's go to the hourly, right? Maybe the hourlies give us some clues. So, let me take a breath here. Let's see. I short pumps and I long dumps. Nice. Too much salt on the fries? Honestly, if I worked at McDonald's, I would be the guy who would put too much salt on fries because I love. All right, I try not to put a lot of salt on things, but I love salt. Salt is one of the best flavors in the world. But anyways, that's besides the point. I try not to put a lot of salt on stuff because your arteries and all that stuff. You know, screw morals, man. I like salt. Anyways, 1 hour time frame. You might be coiling up for something. Okay. This is maybe just something to look at as we walk on stream here. We're coiling up. We're coiling up a little bit. You got higher highs, higher lows in price action, lower highs on the price action, right? So price is getting ready for something. I mean, here's the thing, guys. If you look at the hourly chart, at least at the moment, you can see that we just keep struggling with that 50 EMA, man. If for all the members that watched the moving average stream today, I had a lot of fun doing that. We looked at previous price action, how it react, all that stuff. If we look at this, I mean, every single time we come up to this level, right, we can't hold it. Rejected, come back up, rejected. We pumped above it this time, but, you know, you guys know the scam wick that happened yesterday. Popped above it, below. Now it's just rejected, rejected, rejected. We can't get back above that 50 EMA, all right, and at least hold it as support. So, you know, right now, I mean, this is, I don't know, man. It's definitely interesting. I would say that the hourly stocks are topped out. If you look at the 4-hour stocks, 4-hour stocks are topped out. If you look at the daily stocks are topped out. All right. If I'm looking at indicators, I'm going with down from here. All right. I'm definitely going with down from here if I'm looking at indicators. And lately, Fridays have actually been pretty bad as far as like night times. So we'll see what happens tonight. I won't be surprised if we do come down tonight, if I'm going to be perfectly honest. But the 15-minute time frame is all kind of jacked up, man. it's just getting people trapped in both directions here. So, you know, no little scalp trades at the moment. That's for sure. That was a great stream. I thought it was a great stream. I had a lot of fun with that one today. That was one of my. I actually had a great time just sitting there and talking charts. I sometimes I do that by myself, so it was nice to be there with you guys. It really was. Let's see what Bob thinks. Jordan, that stream freaking sucked. We didn't learn anything. Christ, moving averages. How was that supposed to help us? We looked at the 50 EMA, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Every single price is going to be covered with all the moving averages. So pointless, man. Christ, man, I'm never watching one of those member streams again. I'm unsubscribing, actually. Okay? I'm unsubscribing. Bob didn't like it. He told me earlier today he didn't like it. And he actually really hurt my feelings, to be honest. So, screw Bob. We don't need him on this beautiful Friday, okay? We don't need that. We don't need that type of stuff. Play the pump song for my pet turtle. Yeah, I did see Voyager got... yeah, another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. I don't mean to laugh. I laugh in awkward situations, okay? Get at me. Get at me. 4-hour time frame. All right, here's the hopium, guys. We want some hopium here because I saw Digi. I literally saw Digi asking for some hopium here over the weekend. All right, the hopium is we break this downtrend of resistance here. All right, you guys can see we come back up, test, 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 come back up, test. We can't break this downtrend on a close. We got one big wick back above, and we instantly got shot right back down to the downside. All right, so the hopium here, all right, for all my bulls in the chat, because I know there's a lot of bulls in the chat. Rejoice, if you're a bull in the chat, let me see those green pickles. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god, I pressed the dump song and the pump song at the same time. Oh lord, whatever. I don't know what to do here. Do I dance or do I cry? What do I do? That's how you know it's Friday, man. All right. Oh, that's too good. That's too good. We're gonna dance with it. Screw it. It's Friday. We pressed the dump and pump song at the same time. Anyways, holy moly, I don't know what just happened, but yeah, we keep coming back up and testing this, right? Test. I'm so confused. I was so confused too. The bullish case for the bulls once again is the W formation here, right? The hit to the downside, the rise up, the retrace, and the rise back up again, right? This is what you want to see as a bull. right now, I would say that the 4-hour candle that we're forming right now is not the best. Okay, it's not the best. It can change, but this is looking like a nasty, nasty, nasty 4-hour bearish hammer candle. Okay, big wick on the top side, red candle right at resistance. That's normally what you don't want to see. Okay, so man, it doesn't mean we can't come down a little bit before continuing back up, but the 4 hours looking a little shady too, right? We said the 4-hour stocks are topped out, and they're gonna need a little bit of a cool off here at some point. All right, so let's watch, right? Let's watch on this Friday. Let me know what are you guys doing on the 4th of July? I've been asking this every day, but we're pretty much at 4th of July at this point, even though we got 2 days left. All right, we got 2 days left. I know what Jimmy's doing. Strap up! I'm setting fireworks up to the moon. That's the start of the bull market. We have the pi cycle bottom indicator that's about to flash on July 6th. So strap up. I'm setting every firework up all the bears' asses to the moon. Strap the frig up. We're going to the friggin' moon, baby. Jimmy's about to go nuts with fireworks on July 4th. I'm excited, man. It's gonna be a great weekend. Hope everyone has a fantastic weekend. Take some time off the charts if you do celebrate the 4th of July. Rest from work. There you go. There you go. But that's the bullish case scenario. I don't like the way the 4 hours looking though. Okay, for it to be perfectly fair. Take that for what you will. Yeah, but the 4 hours look a little shady. If it does close like this, I'm looking for further downside. All right, I'm definitely looking for further downside if it does close like this, because that's what we see, right? Retest, dump, retest, dump, retest, dump, retest, dump, retest, dump, retest. Will we see the next dump again? That's the question here. Daily, man, there's just not a lot going on today. We're kind of just in limbo, right? We're in that, it's one of those limbo days where we're waiting to see if the W formation on the daily wants to play out, or we want to continue lower, right? Until we come back down and we break the wick here at 17,600, you still got to be aware, okay? At least be aware, all right? Someone said I won't go there. No, you don't want to hang out. If Jimmy's coming to my 4th of July party, it's not going to be great, man. You still got to be aware of this possible W formation. Now, we know W formations haven't played out very well in this current bear market, all right? Let's be honest here. But you got to assume that the daily W pattern is still in play until we come back down and break the wicks. Do I think we come back down and break the wicks? Yes. I ultimately think we do at some point. But until we break 17.6, we can't assume anything, okay? We definitely can't assume anything because we saw kind of a similar thing over here. If we actually bring the charts back up to this consolidation, we saw a similar thing where Bitcoin had the first hit to the downside, rose up, came back down again, right? Everyone was super bearish, and then we pumped back up to the upside for a little bit before eventually coming back down. But you can't assume anything until that level actually breaks. But I would not be surprised to come back on Thursday and Bitcoin be below and below 17.6. I would not be surprised whatsoever. Just because, I mean, you know, the sentiment is just bearish as hell right now. Bearish as hell. There's not a lot of hope. You got crypto companies going down. You got, you know, you got, I don't even know, man. You got, I can't even name all of them. You got crypto companies going down. Grayscale ETF being denied. You know, and quite frankly, nothing really changed in the macro economy at all, with another CPI print about to come on July 13th, I believe. So, yeah, man, I mean, nothing's really changed on those time frames. I'm just excited to get away from the charts for a little bit and celebrate 4th of July. What do you think, Bob?
Mom, I don't want to go to the 4th of July party. I don't like Jimmy. I don't like Horse Guy. I don't like Mike. Why do we have to go? It's so stupid. We just look at lights in the sky. Okay? All I want to do is sit on my bed and eat meatloaf and watch around the blockchain. That's all I want to do. I don't want to go to the friggin' 4th of July party. Okay? Everyone just judges me because I'm at home in my basement. And I'm 35. Everyone just judges me, man. No one even likes me there.
No, Bobby, everyone loves you. Everyone loves you. If you talk like that again, though, I'm going to come back down and I'm going to spank you. I'm going to spank you. Do not talk like that again, Bob. You're going. No one judges you, Bob. Everyone loves you. Bob doesn't want to go. Bob doesn't want to go to the damn 4th of July party. But, that's the daily, man. And I will say again, guys. I will say again. I can't see, once again, just like we were up here, okay? good man, Bob. You do you. Just like when Bitcoin was up here, all right? Looks like no one wants to have fun tonight. Come on, guys. Have some fun. It's Friday night. Bitcoin's doing nothing. Right here, man. Right here. Right here, man. We sort of said the same thing. As long as the daily stocks are topped out, I can't see a major rally for BTC. Can you see a little bit of a fake pump to get all the bulls horny again? Yes. You can see a little fake pump to get all the bulls horny again. All right? But I don't see a sustained rally to the upside with the daily stock RSI topped out, just like we are right now. I got to see this reset to have any chance. Right now, you got this toppy. All right? Can it come back up short term? Yes. But that's just going to inevitably bring it back down. Okay? Nothing's really changed, man. Nothing's really changed. It is what it is. It is what it is. So that's that, right? Daily stocks topped out. I still see this coming back down to the downside, man. And quite frankly, that's my favorite word lately. In order for me to get bullish on the daily, I want to see some type of bullish divergence, and we just don't have that just yet. Okay, but what do we know? What do we know about this, guys? If Bitcoin does drop, all right? If Bitcoin does drop here, comes back down, short-term stuff, RSI drops a little bit, all right? We could form some bullish div, where we have slightly higher lows on the price action, lower lows on the RSI. We could form some of that, and that could be something that maybe pushes us back up to the upside. You know what I mean? So, you know, it is what it is. Let's see what happens, but the daily is just, you know, a little bit iffy at the moment, I'd say. Definitely a little bit iffy, man. Let's see. Can't do anything for the holiday weekend. Thanks, Joe. Oh, Lord, man. Joe. Let's see. Because I'm Frank. Jordan is a lefty now? I'm not a lefty, man. I'm a righty all day. This is my righty. This is on the mouse. Okay? Mouse. Righty. Does anyone use their non-dominant hand to use a mouse? I don't. Oh, shit. Now I see what you're saying. Why am I over there? Oh, now I'm Camirand again. Holy moly, man. I didn't know I was on the left. It was a little bit confusing. I didn't know I was over there, man. All right, weekly close. Weekly close, man. Oh, where's my weekly chart? Weekly close. Let's go over here. All right. There is no friggin' volume on the weekly. Do you see the weekly chart, you idiots? Anyone who's bullish right now is a friggin' idiot. Look at the weekly chart. It looks like shit. Look at the monthly chart. It looks like absolute shit. There is no volume. No one is buying Bitcoin right now. No one is buying stocks right now. We are going back down to 14K at minimum. Minimum. Freaking Christ, man. I can't even use an iPhone, and even I know that. Freaking idiots in the chat, man. These freaking millennials. Christ. I love when Mike gets pissed at millennials. All right. Like it's the millennials' fault. You know what's funny? I actually think this is kind of funny. It's not everyone. I know I have a lot of not millennial people. It's funny when the older generation blames millennials for the current situation of our economy, when it's the older generation. All right, this is this is going bad down subject. This is going down a very bad. I guess this is going down a bad path. I keep seeing articles like the millennials are to blame for the economy. Come on, man. Oh, Lord. No, but the weekly time frame, guys. Where we want to see in the weekly close, let's get a weekly close above the 2017 highs. Okay? The 2017 highs. So, let's see what happens there. All right? Let's see what happens there. But I want to get a close above 19,000, about 54. Clint said that guy reminds me of me. Mike does kind of remind me of Clint, actually. Just an old, bald, bald, cranky bastard. I'm just kidding, Clint. I love you, man.
Nope.
I'm kidding somewhat. I don't know. Maybe a little bit. I don't know. But yeah, we want to close back above there. If we close below there, I mean, if we can take anything from the weekly, this is all just speculation. We can close below there and pump. But if we close below there, okay, I got to assume that we're going to come back down to the 300 moving average, which is at 16,600. I got to assume that's going to happen at this point. Because quite frankly, the weekly looks like absolute dog shit at the current moment. So, yeah, man, nothing has changed. The weekly's still oversold, and this is what we kind of said, guys. I mean, we always talk about the oversold conditions on the weekly. Here's the thing about the weekly, about any RSI level, man, is it can be bottomed out, but you can still go lower, right? You can have one green little week, reset it a little bit, just to dump again, all right? So you're seeing that right now, okay? So see what happens, but I'm still, I got to assume, my thesis, this is my thesis at the moment, because everyone wants to know my thesis. I'm just kidding, I don't know if you guys care. This is my thesis, guys. Okay, no one cares? Okay. My thesis is that Bitcoin still goes to 14K. All right, that's still my thesis in the current time frame. I'm still expecting the lower low. Why? Because of our price cycle bottom indicator. All right, the price cycle bottom indicator is going to cross in the next 2 weeks. All right, and if history's any indication, we should bottom on that day. Whenever it crosses, we should. In theory, it's an indicator. We're in a recession. Times are like none other. But if it's to play out like it did in the past, we would expect when these cross to be the bottom. All right, will it be? I only expect that to happen if Bitcoin capitulates within the next 2 weeks. If we see a capitulation down to 14K or 10K, then I gotta say, I gotta say in that case, then I would actually be pretty optimistic about this actually playing out. Only if Bitcoin sees a massive capitulation in the next 2 weeks. Only. If you don't see that, if Bitcoin just hovers in this range, that ain't the bottom, bro. That ain't the bottom. To me. All right? Bitcoin hovers at 19K, that ain't the bottom. But if it dumps to 14, 10, I like that. I like that a lot. So, let's see. I mean, it's quite interesting how the time frame of these about to cross is Bitcoin coming back down to the downside again after a little retrace. It's quite the interesting phenomenon, if you ask me. All right, so that's just the daily. I mean, nothing else to really say about that. To be quite frank, it just all looks like poop, What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Rover. I smell a massive pump coming on. Look at Rover, he's so offended. I smell a massive pump, and no, guys, it wasn't that just came out of my ass, okay? I smell Bitcoin absolutely pumping right now. Look at Bitcoin right now. Look at this massive 15-minute candle to the upside. I smell a pump all the way back up to 100K within the next 3 months, okay? I smell it. I smell it right now. Rover was so offended. Oh, he was so offended, man. You gotta love it. All right. What else we got, man? I don't know. I mean, I talked about everything. I mean, I would say, like I said, guys, the 15-minute time frame is telling us nothing. Look at the 15-minute time frame. Look at this. Look at this just chop. There's no structure to this. It's just above 50, below, above. There's no structure. There's zero structure. You could argue the hourly might have some type of structure. All right? But even then, I'm like, dude, this ain't telling me Shiza. All right? So, take it for what you will. What's Java doing for what's Java doing for 4th of July? Savvy! Make sure you pack the fireworks. Yes, it's going to be the best 4th of July ever. Pi cycle bottom is supposed to crash on July 6th. This might be our last chance.
We're gonna put the biggest short in we ever had. Come on, Savvy. Let's watch fireworks together. Come here. Come here. Yes. Yo, no. Put your head right in between my boobs. Yeah. It's comfortable in there. There you go. Yeah, yeah. Right in between, Savvy. There you go. There you go.
Wow, it is kind of comfy. It's like being between Bitcoin and Litecoin. Wow, Jabba. How'd you get it like this?
Years and years of eating Chinese food.
Looks like everyone's going to have a good time on 4th of July besides Bob, who doesn't want to go. Of course he doesn't want to go. He thinks everyone judges him. All right. What else we got? All right. What else we got? Ethereum. I mean, the falling wedge is playing out. So it's kind of what I forgot. I guess something like this. We talked about this earlier. No, guys. Savvy's not intimate with Joppa. It's a cushion for a pillow to watch the fireworks. Come on. Don't be weird about it. So ETH's falling wedge that we were looking at earlier is playing out pretty nicely. Bitcoin kind of had a similar thing. It's just not really getting the impulse. But if we look at ETH, right, is ETH going to give us a clue maybe what Bitcoin does? Sometimes actually the Ethereum charts can give you more clues than Bitcoin can. Right? If we look at ETH, we had this falling wedge. It is breaking to the upside. Right? The technical target is back up here at our red box. All right. So, you know, if the Bitcoin chart's looking like Shiza and just kind of oscillating sideways, you know, are we still expecting Ethereum to do our M formation, which is a rise to the upside, retrace, rise to the upside again, and then a retrace again, right? You know, is that kind of what we're waiting for here? This M formation to play out before inevitably dumping again. Time will tell, right? Time will tell. The measure move of this rising wedge is the top red box. It would make a lot of sense. We always do M formations at the top and we always do W formations at the bottom. Every single time. And we can go to every single top and bottom. You'll see a W or an M formation. All right? Yo, Kennedy, what's going on, man? DXY, I'm late. Bitcoin and DXY can't make up their minds. Bruh, I'm like horse guy. I'm so confused. Enjoy your trip. Thank you, Kennedy. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's being a little confusing today. Let me do a poll because it's quite frankly, guys, you guys know me. Like, I only enter trades when I'm pretty sure on Bitcoin's direction here in the short term. To me, this is an iffy point. To me, this is an iffy point to put in a trade. You guys can do you. I bet there's a lot of people longing right now expecting the W formation. Let me actually see. Big ass fake out. We're going to 28K. Let me actually do a poll real quick. And no, we're not pole dancing. Don't get excited, Bob.
But Jordan, I want to pole dance. At least let me do that before we go to the 4th of July party. Come on, man. I like to pole dance. Bugs Bunny. I'm a summon hit the shit. Bugs Bunny. I'm a done in money. Skrr. Big Bunny.
I hate that stupid TikTok thing. All right, anyways. Let's continue. Bob likes it for some reason. What do we got here? Okay, so... What was I talking about before? Oh my god, man. Oh yeah. Let me do a poll. Do you think Bitcoin will break let's do 18K by July 4th? Let me know. Do you think Bitcoin will break 18K by July 4th? Let me know in the chat, man. Let me know. Let's see. Dave Taylor coming in with the $100 super chat. Holy moly, man. Hookies and beers in New Hampshire. Nice, man. Scotty Swing, nice, bro. Dave Big Baller. Holy crap, Dave coming in with the super chat. That's crazy, man. It's absolutely crazy. All right, Dave, I got you. We're gonna play the pump song for you in a second, Dave. That's absolutely nuts. Appreciate you, Dave. Holy moly, man. This is coming in. Do you think Bitcoin will break 18K by July 4th? Let me know in the chat. If I had to put money on it, that's tough, man. I'm pretty undecided. I will say, guys, as far as by July 4th, I'm slightly undecided. Okay, this is just such an interesting point for Bitcoin. All right, I mean, this could really turn into a W formation, or this can turn into just a absolute capitulation shit show going into the holiday weekend, man. It's going to be low liquidity. They're going to be able to move the market as they must. It could be a shit show weekend, or it could be a nice recovery. I'm honestly, and I'm not going to get too pessimistic until a 17.6 breaks, at least in the short term. I think it inevitably will, but by July 4th, it's tough, man. If you had to put your money on it, what do you say? Let me know in the chat. If you had to put $1,000 on this bet, right? If Bitcoin breaks 17 or 18K by July 4th, are you doing yes or no? You had to put $1,000 on it, right? No free bets. What do you think? What do you think? By the way, Dave Taylor came in with the super chat. Let's freaking get it, man. Dave, you're the absolute stud, bro. Come on, man. Come on. Let's get it. Gonna DCA that into ETH, man. When ETH hits my target. When ETH hits my target. Come on. A. It's gonna catch people off guard where they're shoving burgers and hot dogs into their swamp holes. Into their swamp holes? That sounds disgusting, man. You shove hot dogs up your ass? I don't like that, man. That sounds awesome. Oh, God, awful. Oh, Lord. Oh, caught red-handed. No one heard that. Oh, God, we got the meme coming. I'm just waiting for the meme. Waiting for the meme now. There it is. Oh, Lord. It's Friday. I guess I deserve that. DXY. So, yeah, where the hell is the DXY going, man? It's an interesting point for Bitcoin in the DXY. It really is. It really is. So, what's going to happen here? Let me see what you guys are saying in here. I'm not betting that. Yes. No. Yes. Is Jordan drunk? Oh, no, man. I ain't drunk right now. I just tend to say weird shit all the time, even when I'm not drunk. If I'm drunk, oh, Lord. Voyager stop with withdrawals and trading. Oh, yeah, another one bites the dust, man. Guys, get your crypto off exchanges, man. All right? Get your crypto off exchanges. I don't trust anyone right now. Get them into wallets, all right? If you're on anything. If you own crypto on Coinbase, get a Coinbase wallet. It takes 2 seconds, man. If you have crypto on Robinhood, they have wallets now. Send it over there. All right? It takes 2 seconds to set it up. All right? I will say this, man. After all this fiasco, I'm going to be honest, man. And it's not me being a dick. But if after all this bullshit of crypto companies going down, you've had plenty of time. If another one goes down and you lose money on it, you've had time. You've seen the news stories come out, all right? Get your crypto off exchanges during times like this. It's just going to get worse, okay? Don't think it's just magically going to go away, all right? Get your crypto off exchanges. Seriously. Lordy. I'm just going to be honest, man. All right, so what else we got? So that's that. Like we said with Ethereum, I mean, do we get a short-term rally to the upside before dumping? Let's find out, man. If anything, I don't see it going higher than this. Let's find out. The DXY, I mean, we're looking at this as some sort of giant cup and handle pattern. I mean, at the end of the day, it back-tested the 50 EMA, which we want to see for, you know, what we want to see for right here. Fair warning. All right. So it came back down and tested the 20 EMA. I mean, to me, it's hard to do TA on the DXY. It's the DXY. Do TA in the DXY. I mean, you're basing it off different currencies and things like that. So it's not cut and dry. But this does look like just a continuation pattern to me. All right, at the end of the day. So be wary of that. I don't think that this is obviously just going to dump here. Because I think assets have more downside to go, you know? Look at this price action for Bitcoin. It is a Friday night, but holy shit, man. This is brutal price action today. Brutal price action today. What is Horse Guy doing on the 4th of July? Let's see. I love the 4th of July. I love seeing family. Because they're forced to hang out with me. No one ever wants to hang out with me. Because I just tell them the whole time I'm there. I just tell them about manipulation. I go, hey, what's going on, Auntie Sue? Guess what? Bitcoin is manipulated. Oh, let's watch fireworks. Hey, Cousin Joel. Cousin Joel. Hey, do you know that Bitcoin is manipulated? Do you know that? Do you know? Shut the hell up, Horse Guy. I'm trying to watch the fireworks, you freaking idiot. Shut the hell up. I don't care Bitcoin's manipulated. But you should. The whole world is manipulated. Oh, Lord. Poor Horse Guy. Oh, Lord. It's we're gonna hear about how everyone feels about 4th of July, man. Let's see. David said it's real estate time. Yeah, man. What do you mean by is real estate time? Let's see what you guys are saying here. Let's see. James Lakes. Dave said, oh no, that was Dave. Bear Guts said, here's some beer money for this weekend. Bro, you're an absolute stud too, man. Let's do some fireworks for 4th of July, man. Bitcoin ain't doing shit. We're hanging out today. It is what it is, man. It's the pre-4th of July weekend, all right? Let's have some fun. Bitcoin charts ain't doing scheisse, all right? We might as well have some fun. Lord. Oh, Kennedy, come on, man. Hey, what I've said's happened. I mean, everything I usually say happen's been happening lately, right? Since I get out of my Moon Boy stage, because we all had a Moon Boy stage, all right? We all had a Moon Boy stage, right? Since I got out of that, everything's been playing out great. But it's generally true, Kennedy. Thanks for hanging out and have a good time, my friend. Seriously. Waterfly, what do you mean, man? Waterfly. All right, Waterfly. He said age 16 to 30, hit the like button because none of you want to get an actual job. Waterfly, you got to understand where the younger generations come from, okay? It's been pushed to us, be an entrepreneur. So that's why you're seeing that, right? That's why you're seeing that, right? I mean, it is what it is. The internet has become a major thing, which allowed more people to become entrepreneurs or be able to start their own businesses online and things like that, right? Don't be mad because back in the days, you didn't have the internet and you had to work at a brick and mortar store. It's not our fault. Don't blame the millennials. Don't blame the millennials. Don't blame the Gen Zers, okay? It's not our fault that's what the world has come to, okay? Because who invented those things? Who invented those things? Come on, who invented those things? Come on.
Nope.
It's not our fault. All right, you're saying he's right. Trophy for participation? No. Who was the parents of this age? Who invented the participation trophy? Oh, it's okay, Jimmy. Come on. Who was the parents that invented the participation trophy? Don't blame the people that getting the participation trophy. Blame the people giving the participation trophy. Come on.
Nope.
Rant alert.
I'm always spitting facts, man. Who gives out the participation trophy? All right, anyways. I'm getting off topic here. Savvy gives it out. Facts. All right, let's continue on. Let's see. Gen X the best. All right, let's continue on. Someone said, I can't read that in the chat, man. Did you really just say that, Summit? Oh Lord, that's too funny. All right, that's coming on. Let's continue. You can't argue that point though. That's a great point. All right, so I mean, there's not much going on in the charts, man. I mean, we kind of talk about anything. It's Friday night, guys. It's Friday night. I mean, we've already done 2 streams today. We did 3 yesterday. Bitcoin's just hovering, right? As George likes to say. I am George. We're all George. Guys, we are just hovering, right? You guys can see Bitcoin is just hovering like a UFO right here and building a giant base like a UFO here at 19,400. But we are building a giant base here, guys. Look at this giant base that Bitcoin is building right here at this $19,400 level right here. We are building a giant base right here, right? So, let's see what's going on. Look at this giant base, guys. Let's actually zoom out and look at this base on the bigger time frames, man. Let's zoom out. Look at this giant base for BTC that it's building. Let's zoom out a little bit. Here we go. Let's keep looking at our giant base. Look at this giant base right here that Bitcoin's building. This is one of the biggest bases that I've ever seen for Bitcoin. So don't worry, guys. Bitcoin's going to bounce from this level. Bitcoin is going to go up. Bitcoin is going to go up. And we are going to absolutely fly to the upside. Okay? Absolutely fly to the upside. So don't worry, guys. We're going to go up. I know we're in a recession. I talk about we're in a recession every day. I talk about how shitty our economy is. Yet I keep saying we're going to go up. Okay? So don't worry, guys. We going to go up. All right. Drew said, I'm so sick of this guy's face. Oh, oh God, man. Let's be nice to little Georgie, okay? Let's be nice to Georgie. Everyone's gonna love Georgie, okay? Anyways. Let's see. Badunk.
Oh, George, shut the hell up. You've been telling us it's gonna go up since 69K. Christ. My God, man. We're building, how many bases do we have? If we were an army, we would be the best army ever. Because we built like 8 bases. We built like freaking 20 bases. My God, man. Like, how many castles do we have? How many horses do we have? Like, how many bases can we build? My God. How many tech dev fractals have we looked at? Like, Christ, I'm so sick of this. I'm unsubscribed. All he keeps telling us is gung go up. I don't see any up. I see gung go down, gung go down, gung go down. So sick of this guy, man. Christ, I'm unsubscribing.
Oh, Lord. Bob is cranky today. He just wants to not go to 4th of July party and not hang out with any friends. Okay? And he just wants to, I don't know, wants to be mean to Georgie, man. All right, let's continue on. So what else we got? Bitcoin ain't doing shit, man. I'll probably stay on to the daily close, guys, today, but it's one of those things that, you know, unless you guys want to just hang out and talk. I know you guys like to hang out and talk sometimes, but this price action is boring as a mofo right now. Absolutely boring as a mofo. Super, super boring. It's just, I'm not going to fall for any of these moves, man. It's pumping up and down above the 50 EMA. You guys, I've said that like 8 times this stream, but it's true. We're doing it again. We're pumping above the 50 EMA again. Like clockwork, man. Like clockwork. Bob should just stick to Rova. White dot alert. White dot. What are you talking about? He doesn't like holidays. His breaks his routine. What's his routine? His routine is laying in the bed, getting up, microwaving meatloaf. You want to see Bob's routine? All right, let's go see Bob's routine. This is Bob's routine.
It's time to get up already? It's like freaking 3 p.m. Christ, man. 3 p.m.? Alright, time to go microwave some meatloaf. Christ, man. Let's go microwave some meatloaf. Let's just watch it. Let's just watch it in the microwave because I'm freaking bored of my life. Let's just watch it go in a circle. Alright, this freaking sucks. Let me get some Mountain Dew while I watch. All right, it's friggin' done. Let me take it back. Let me take it back to my desk. Spread it all around the blockchain. Ooh, Wendy. Is that Wendy? All right. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. All right, guys. I'm having too much fun today. I'm getting a little off the rockers here. I really am. But anyways. Bob living the. Oh man, Bob living the good life. He is. Can I even make it to the daily close today, man? I don't even know if I can make it to the daily close. This is like some serious crab action, bro. All right, let's go look at the crypto bubbles, man. This is a brutal day. You know it's boring when you look at the crypto bubbles. Why is Luna Classic still going nuts, man? Holy moly, look at Luna Classic, bro. There's a white dot. You see this white dot right here? All right, let me fix it. Here we go. I actually keep seeing that too, and it bothers me a little bit. There we go. There you go, Mike. Just for you, buddy. All right, crypto bubbles. Luna Classic still going nuts. Why is it going nuts, man? Why is it going absolutely nuts? Let's see. All right, this is the Luna. We want Luna Classic. Holy moly, man. Luna Classic. All right, it's rising back to the upside. I mean, it's just retracing a little bit. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame on Luna Classic, let's see a little Luna Classic. Let's see. 1995 Mazda down the street tonight. My favorite picking out cars and motorcycles on this channel. 1995 Mazda? Clint, I can't hear shit. How do you hear that? If I can't hear it, how do you hear that? I don't hear any cars right now. Maj, you hear any cars? Nope. Clint, I think you're making this shit up, man. All right, Luna. I mean, it's retracing a little bit. I would say, I mean, right now, is it going to have the juice to get back up higher? Let's see. I mean, it just looks like a rise, retrace, and see if it wants to have a continuation to the upside. It certainly can. I mean, it just looks like a rise, retrace, continuation. To be honest, on Luna Classic, and I never thought I'd say this, but the 4-hour stocks are bottomed out. You reset your 4-hour RSI. To be quite frank, because that's my favorite word. To be quite frank, I'll be surprised if Luna Classic continues up, makes a higher high, something like this. Not like all the way up there, but makes a higher high. All right, and then has bearish divergence on the RSI like this. And then dumps that to the downside, right? So kind of with Bitcoin, if we expect maybe Bitcoin to squeak out a little pump, pump is a strong word, squeak out a little upside, all right? Maybe Luna Classic gets a little bit more upside, and then it dumps with bearish div. Something like that. M formation, continuation, then downside. You know? Look at Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin sucks today. For corn dogs, popcorn, fried Twinkies, and Oreos. Bob's routine is, I'm like reading it to the robot. It's kind of weird. I'll let the robot read. Oh, God. Dutch oven Jabba? Jabba, come here. Come here, Jabba. Right now. Get out of the sheets. Get out of the sheets. Get over here. Get out of the sheets. Come on. No, Jordan. Jordan, no. Don't put the sheet over me. No, Christ. No, Jordan, let me out. Oh, oh God, that smells like shit. Jordan, what did you eat today? My God, let me out, let me out. Oh, Lord. Happy 4th of July weekend, man. We're just sitting here having fun tonight, you know. There ain't too much to talk about today that we haven't already talked about multiple times. Get out of the sheets. Luna Classic will ascend. Yeah, it looks like a rise, retrace, continuation at the moment. All right.
at the moment. And if we expect, like, say, Ethereum to rise a little bit and then dump, it all makes sense. It all correlates. We expect ETH to come back up to like 1110 and then dump. Makes sense for like Luna Classic to come up a little bit and then dump. All right, it makes sense. It smells like shit. Oh Lord, lordy, 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 lordy. What else is pumping today? Let's see. Crypto bubbles. Hex, CRV, Atom. There ain't too much going on right now. Yeah, ZIL, CRV, Hex, AR. Appreciate it, Creighton, though. Thank you, Creighton. I will definitely buy some corn dogs, popcorn, fried Twinkies, and Oreos just for you, my friend. Just for you this weekend, I will do that. It's going to be a fantastic weekend, man. It is, it is, it is. Tomorrow will start the weekend, man. Tomorrow's going to start it. It's going to be great. All right. Let's see. I still got to do laundry, though. I know that sounds like I got to do fucking laundry. I still got to do laundry, though. I hate doing laundry. I was supposed to do it today, and me and Maya were like, fuck that. Fuck that today. You know? But we're going to do it tomorrow. We're going to do it together like a cute couple, because that's what we do. All right. All right. What else we got, guys? What else we got? Anything really? Not much. We'll hang out. We'll hang out and just hang out, guys. We'll watch the short-term time frames on BTC. Let me just get like to the 5-minute chart, and we'll just sit and shoot the shit for a little bit, because, quite frank, man, until Bitcoin decides to get out of this little chop range here, it is what it is. It is what it freaking is. So, let's put a disclaimer here. Disclaimer. Oh my Lord! 4th of July. Here we go. We are shooting the Shiza. Don't be a salty pencil neck. Thank you. All right, here we go. We are shooting the Shiza. Don't be a salty pencil neck. There we go. Right here. There we go. Perfect. We are shooting the Shiza. Don't be a salty pencil neck. There we go. What's going on, Dave? Dave's getting out of here. Have a good one, Dave. Market makers probably putting us to sleep. Expecting the early Saturday morning capitulation dump. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I wouldn't be. I would not be surprised whatsoever. Let me just like mark this range off here, like this. Let me just mark this range off. Boom. Barbecue and weed. Nice, man. That's what you want to do. That's what you want to do. Nothing wrong with that. Jordan, give Clint and Waterfly a participation trophy because you wrecked them. Hey, you can't argue that. But hey, I love Waterfly. I love Clint. Waterfly knows I love him, man. You don't have to always agree with someone, right? You don't always have to agree, right? Sometimes it's good for a little debate. Okay. I love Waterfly. Waterfly knows I love him. Okay, we'll get over it. We'll get over it. Kennedy said, we're all learning together. Respect to Tino. Let's get it second half of the year. Looking forward to the morning shower talks. Wifey got to think we're crazy. I think that was no, that wasn't gunshots. That was fireworks. If it was gunshots, that would be a lot louder, man. A lot louder, you know? A lot louder. Bob's routine is strangely similar to my own. Nice. Nice.
We're all learning together. Respect to Tino. Let's get it.
It's written wait, that's how you do it?
To the morning showers.
The little fancy B?
Wifey gotta think we're crazy tongue out.
That's how you say Shiza?
That was gunshots.
SCHEL fancy BE? What's that little fancy B? I like that thing. That thing's super fancy. It's like I like that. I like that little I don't know if I can do that on my screen. That's it. Be around people you disagree with. You're bound to learn something. Facts. If you're with someone that you constantly just agree with everything, or you know, you constantly just like everything is the same. You don't really learn from each other. So that's definitely a great point. Definitely a great point. Love boss, no homo. Love you too, Waterfly. You know I won that debate, though. Ah, the master debater. Don't come at me when I get an ego about something. Don't do it. Because I will win the debate. I will. I will. ES set is how the fancy B is pronounced? Oh, nice. So it's Shiba? It's not Shiba. It's Shiza. Let's see. Yeah, it's double S. Clint hides in my closet. That sounds crazy. Kennedy, you're an absolute stud, man. Again. I'm going to hang out to the daily close, guys. I'm just going to shoot the shit for another, like, probably 10, 15 minutes. And we'll call it a holiday weekend, man. Call it a holiday weekend. Yes, I'm shaking my legs. Actually, if you guys didn't know, the whole stream, I'm probably doing something under the camera that you have no idea about. I'm just letting you know. And it's not what you think it is. It's not this. Okay? It's not this. But I'm probably doing something under here that you don't know about. Best crypto YouTuber hands down. I strive to be. Somewhat. I don't think what defines best, right? What defines best? See, I don't define biggest as best. I would define having the same people come into your stream every day as success to me, because here we go. Bitcoin finally breaking the range. Thank God. Oh, come on. Don't bounce. Don't you bounce, boy. Dump. Don't you bounce. Don't you freaking bounce. Dump. Dump it, boy. There it is. Dump it. Dump it. There we go. I would define it as like having the same people come in here every day, right? And that's why I love my stream, because I literally have the same tight-knit group being here every single day, and that's why I love it, man. That's why I love it. All right. Are we going to dump it? Don't be bouncing off the support. If you bounce off the support, I'm going to be very, very salty. Very, very salty, man. Do not stay in this damn range. We're all sick of this damn range. Dump it. Come on. There we go. Waterfly said, doesn't define biggest as best. Boss got a small pee-pee. I told you guys, my pee-pee is 2 inches. Okay? Clint has a 1-inch penis. I have a 2-inch penis. I'm the best. He's getting antsy. He wants to get out of town so bad. I am getting excited to go on vacay. I really am. All right, come on, Bitcoin, dump it. Come on, boy. Come on, boy.
But no! Jordan, why are you saying dump it? Your viewers are bulls. You're gonna get them all wrecked. Do you want to see your viewers lose money? Is that what you want to see? So you're telling me this stream was manipulation the whole time? To dump on your viewers? Is that what you're saying, Jordan? You want to dump on your viewers? This is manipulation. Jordan is a manipulator.
Oh, God, man. I can make my... All right, pump it. Here we go. Come on. Come on, man. 19,234. Come on, give me something. Imagine if we just capitulate tonight. Imagine if we're all bored right now. We're all bored with the price action, and then Bitcoin's like,
nope.
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
and we see a massive capitulation tonight when we just least expect it. Like, we're all just chilling here, falling asleep. Probably a lot of us eating food, doing something, and Bitcoin just capitulates. That would be hilarious. And I actually mean that. That would be hilarious. Let's see. The greatest smile of all time. You saying I got the greatest smile of all time? Want to see it again? There it is. Oh no, you're definitely not talking about horse guy. Get out of here, horse guy. Let's see. Is white candle stopping volume? Yeah, the white candle stopping volume. So, for example, just a quick example. right? You saw a white candle right here at the lows, stop and value candle. You saw the retrace back to the upside. So you're seeing a stop and value candle, but it can turn red, right? See it turn red right here? And that's why you got to watch, right? So you got to stay vigilant because the white vector candle, which usually means that you're probably getting some stop in volume, you'll probably see, a higher chance of seeing a retrace to the upside. You just saw that candle turn red again, all right? If Bitcoin stays in this range longer, I'm going to be pissed. Holy moly, man. There's probably some people who like trading this range. To me, this range is just too choppy, too unpredictable for me right here. Too much unpredictability in this range. Screw that. Screw that. Go to zero already and put me out of misery? It's a little bit brutal, man. You went from Ultra Moon Boy to Ultra Bear. No, I would say I went from Ultra Moon Boy. That is true. I went from Ultra Moon Boy. I was like Crypto Rover, probably a year ago. But I went from Ultra Moon Boy to just a realist. If I see the things I want to see, which is a Fed pivot or any type of bullish news, man, then maybe I'll switch my thought process. But nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. What's the indicator of the vector candles again? It is Trader's Reality. That's from my guy Tino. If you want to learn how to use them, go check out my guy Tino. I'll always give my guy Tino a shout out because he deserves it. To me, he's the smartest guy in crypto, in my personal opinion. Trader's Reality. Trader's Reality. All right? You just type it in right here. There you go. But watch Tino Trader's Reality channel to learn. Smartest guy in crypto, in my opinion. I strive to be like Tino in at least a few months, man. I strive to be Tino in a few months, if not a year, maybe. All right, I'll give myself some time. All right, so yeah, because Bitcoin is so predictable. It can be up to a certain point, but you're never gonna get 100% correct. Once again, like the top traders maybe win 50 to 60% of their trades, and quite frankly, a lot of them actually lose more than they win. They just win more on their wins and lose less on their losses, right? That's the reality of the situation. But it's predictable. You gotta manage your risk, right? It is predictable, but you gotta have high percentage plays, right? It's all at probabilities. It's never all right. I'm going long here. There's a 100% chance it's gonna pump right now. No, you gotta be like, I'm going long here. There's probably 65% chance it's going to pump from here, all right? And you put a stop below, all right? Nothing's 100% probability. Always remember that. You can be confident on a trade, but it can still go wrong. Let's see. Will you do a collab with Tino? Yeah, I mean, I should, after 4th of July, maybe. Because Tino did reach out to me. So maybe after the 4th of July, for sure. Maybe I'll get Tino on here, and we'll have some fun. Risk is the most important thing in trading. Yep. That's absolute facts. Absolute facts. Kid me, neither of you just took profits, so it's free from here. Oh, I got you. Calls in, dump it. I'm waiting for the dump, man. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. My God, man. This price action sucks. I don't trade anyway, but I like to just stare at the charts and eat meatloaf, and this price action literally sucks. Do I really want to watch Around the Blockchain again today for like the 8th time? I'm so sick of it today. Christ, man. Like, oh, we're gonna get dumped. Here we go. Here we go. It reminds me so much of ketchup. Bob creeps me out sometimes. No, but in reality, this price action does suck. It does. I'm the first person in the world to crack Bitcoin. The term mine Bitcoin is an anagram for main BTC. It's a ditto representation of the... Okay. We're not going there, man. I don't know what that was supposed to go for, but holy moly. We're gonna stop reading that. Anyways, 19,213. Baker Cameron. I don't know what you're going for in that super chat, man. I appreciate the super chat, but I don't know. I don't know if that's supposed to be some type of joke. Holy moly.
I'm the first person in the world to crack Bitcoin. The term mine BTC is an anagram for mine BTC.
Clustering.
It's a digital representation of the Berlin.
I should probably move this box now to these lows. There we go. Oh, man. How much longer can we go through this? All right, the daily chart. Daily closed at a measly. Shit, man. We closed at a measly 19,271. All right, so I would say nothing significant. The 4-hour time frame. Yeah, I don't like that 4-hour candle. Just a bearish hammer candle on the 4-hour time frame. Right, giant wick on the top side. Candle body down at the lows. Bearish hammer right off resistance. Right? Can that give an indication of downside? Let's find out. Actually, the last 2 times we actually got these candles. You actually look at the last 3 times we got these candles. Right here. Right? Bearish hammer candle. Dump. Right here. Bearish hammer candle. Why am I saying hander? What am I giving a hand job? It's freaking ridiculous. Bearish hammer candle. Right here off resistance. Dump. We actually had one right here as well. Bearish hammer candle off resistance. Dump.
This was a build trap.
All right. Told you this was a build trap. GT cuts. That was a great call, man. But I'm going to be honest with you. I think an ape could have told you this was a bull trap, man. Right? Anyone who fell for this little pump, which there was a lot of people who did, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. But it was very obvious. I mean, listen, we can have him. We can have him on, right? Let's have our good friend Ape on. Let's have him on. All right. I don't like this one. Hold on. Okay, guys, what's going on? All right, so we're getting a giant pump to the upside. I am an ape, and I know that this is going to dump to the downside. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Oh, man. Every Bitcoin pump is a fake out, all right? Until it's not. At some point it won't be, but assume every time Bitcoin rallies to the upside, it's going to be a fake out. You got to assume it. You got to assume it. That's what's happened every single pump. It's probably been like 50 pumps for BTC in the last 7 months. Every single one of them has been a fake out. Chances are the next one will be a fake out. The next one, fake out, based on probabilities. At some point it won't be. That's why you have your hodl stack ready to go. But man, don't be falling for these for trades for sure. Holy moly, man. Let's see. Face only a mother could love. John M. John, you said, why does an ape sound like a bird? John said, Jordan, can't you come on and do a quick 30-minute stream on Monday or Tuesday? We're going to get withdrawal symptoms. I appreciate the kind words, John. I do. I do. That's really, really nice of you. But I can't, man. I'm going to be on a lake and a river, floating down, drinking beers, eating Doritos, having some laughs, getting a tan. That's what I'm going to be doing this weekend. So unfortunately, John, the answer is, drum roll please.
Nope.
There you go. All right, now Bitcoin's trying to pounce on. Guys, I can't take this price action. I cannot take this price action. Time to start the weekend. All right? Have a fantastic weekend, guys. There's a high chance, okay? High chance I won't see you till Thursday. A lot can happen before Thursday, okay? Just remember, before I go, remember, the pi cycle bottom indicator, all right, is getting awfully close to closing, okay? Awfully close. I think we're gonna see I think we're gonna see a dump. I think we're gonna see a dump before I get back. And here's my message to you: just be ready for any scenario. I'll continue to say it. Just be ready for any scenario, right? If Bitcoin dumps to 14K, do not get caught with your pants down. If Bitcoin dumps to 10K, do not get caught with your pants down. Make sure your pants are up and ready to go, okay? Because it can happen. We could be anywhere when I get back. Do not be caught with your pants down. Do not be caught with a burger in your mouth. Do not be caught with a hot dog up your ass. All right? Just be ready, man. Just be ready. So we got Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 5 days. All right? I'm out of here. I might be back on Wednesday night. All right? I'm supposed to be driving back from New Hampshire on Wednesday night. Or sorry, Wednesday morning. So I might be back for Wednesday night. But don't count on it, okay? It's a long drive. Don't count on it. I'll see you guys Thursday morning if I don't see you on Wednesday night. All right? Have a fantastic holiday, guys, if you do enjoy it. If not, just have a fantastic weekend. Stay strong. All right? These are the times where the best opportunities are made. Just be ready. Just be ready for any scenario. All right? Adios, guys. Don't do anything I want to. Don't panic sell your crypto. And most of all, happy 4th of July. All right? Now for the awkward 10 seconds while I play the pump song, man. Let's get it. See you guys. Oh, tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Member stream, guys. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. Member stream we'll be doing tomorrow, 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, right? So be ready for that. I'll have a member stream tomorrow morning to go over whatever price action happens today, right? Members stream tomorrow morning. If you want to become a member, you can join down below, guys. Hit the $sign button. There's a membership button. We're doing member stream at 9 a.m. tomorrow, all right? I forgot it. All right, so catch you guys there. Once again, have a fantastic weekend if I don't see you tomorrow. All right? Peace out, guys.